We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. Okay, first of all, there is no much changes if you refer to our analysis in my last video. As we mentioned the price here, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop, and we see the drop, but it haven't broke the previous low. Okay, anyway, we mentioned the way is moving is really corrective, and what we want, we're looking for buy. But as long as the price haven't broke the previous the top or this low, we consider still we are within this correction. I think it's better this one should be here, all right? Because we mentioned based on the 1 hour chart, we are not considering about this, all right? This is the important part we're looking at this within this correction. Okay. Anyway, as we mentioned, we're looking for buy, but still we prefer this one drop to this low before we look for the reversal, all right? That's why we want this one at least drop, then any reversal from there, we will take the trade. But how about if the price can reverse from here? Either we look for the flag, sharp move flag, or we can have entry above this. Okay, either here or here, it depends on the traders. But what we're looking for sharp move. For example, similar to what we get here. All right, that's why if we want to look any trade, if we get any trade set up within this one, still we consider we are within this correction. We should have the proper management because we want to see the breakout of this. That's why if we want to trade within this correction, if we look for buy, we prefer to price to drop this and we finish for the last wave. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade set up, and our intention is to look for buy because when we have this kind of the corrective move, even if this one can turn to more complex, but any reversal it can give us really sharp. If we get any trades, the movement start the up move, uptrend, it will be really sharp. Even maybe we are not able to catch the trade after it start. That's why any trade setup for buy, we will take it. If it is moving, is good. If not, we take out the trade. We should have the management because we have seen this kind of the movement on the other charts. All right, the price have been within the correction for quite a long time. Anyway, if we move to daily chart, we have nothing to discuss. The only thing is we're looking at this part. Is better we move to forward chart for those traders. They're looking at this chart and this analysis for the first time, because we mentioned the way we can look at this one as either is a 3 waves and this is the start of the up move, or we can consider as a 5 waves. Anyway, if they want more information, they can refer to my last analysis. And right now we're looking at this one is a corrective move in relative to this. Any trade setup, we will take it, and with the breakout of this top, we will see whether this is the start of the up move, as we mentioned, based on 3 waves structure, or it can give us a 5 waves. It can be a 4th wave. That means we can expect the full structure turn to a 5 waves before we get the reversal. We explain everything in my last analysis. Traders, they can refer to that. And the only thing is right now, any trade setup within this correction, we will take the trade. Okay. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup either based on forward chart or 1 hour chart. And as we mentioned, the best things is let the price drop. I retest the previous low, which is, for me, I'm looking for the price to drop to 0.00671. Then any reversal, I will take the trade from there. And if the price sharply reverse from here, either we get a flag or we can have entry above here or here, which is it depends on the traders whether they can have entry above 0.00732 or above 0.00746. Why? Because in case the price sharply reverse from here, if we didn't get any trade stop, we can catch it. But if anyone wants to have entry above the top, which I mentioned right now, they should know that what we're looking for the breakout and continuation. If the price tag we see is not moving within the first hour, you take out the trade. That's why if they want to have entry, but as we mentioned, they should be in front of the chart. At least if they see there is no movement, they should take out the trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.